Hello, and welcome to week, I think we're up to 17 now, of Growing Roses from Seed. Here are the updates. Avocado! Doing well. Root system is good. If I can get that, there you go. My peppers are just about dried, so I can take the seeds out and, yeah, start to plant those. Here is my lemon tree. Look at how the leaves look with the little dots. I think that's fantastic. That's doing well. Here are my store-boughts. You remember the buds that we saw last week? Well, they've bloomed. Hello and hello. Sorry, it's hard to sometimes get a really close-up shot. I don't know if there are any other buds. I'm looking quickly. I don't see any, but one bloom is always more than I can ask for. And I did some research on what black baccaras and autumn roses look like, and it turns out I still don't know. I think that the black baccaras have red outlines, kind of like when these leaves get new shoots, they get red along the outside, which you've seen in previous videos. I think the black baccaras get those too, which means that this one is probably the autumn rose. But we won't know until they actually bloom. But look at all the new growth here. These vines are they're growing like crazy, and they're dying for something to latch onto, so I'm gonna have to get or make a trellis for it so that it can climb. Let's look at the other plants. My room is a mess, so I have to climb over everything. As you can see, I still haven't taken those out of the pot. My poor babies that died because I should have left them in water. But here is the spider plant. The cat palm. Forever making babies. You see the new shoot there? That's doing well. My pothos. And this is my other rose. Now, it was drying up at the ends, so I actually took off this end of it because it was all dried all the way up, no matter how much I watered it. So I took that one off, so hopefully it will spend more energy on this vine, and I have to figure out if this should be in dirt or not. I'm not absolutely sure, but we'll see. And behind it, you can see those tall stalks. Those are my avocado plants. They are growing like crazy, and again, from the dirt. But as you can see, that other one hasn't really cracked yet, so I don't know what that's doing. But there's my other pothos, which has vined down, 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 and around. And look at that new growth. Looking for a place to wrap itself around. Before I had said that I was going to use these nubs and put them in water, but I don't know. It's making such a nice vine. I don't know if I want to cut it. So I might let that get leggy. On to the living room. Okay, here we have my wildflowers, which are doing well. Forever growing. This one just got a new middle piece there. The other one is curling up and growing like mad. And these guys are doing well too. Yeah, if you look in the middle of this one over here, you see that little tiny leaf right there. And the other one's got one too. Let's go to my spider plant, which I have moved to the living room, so you can see it better. Still growing like crazy. And look at my flowers. Isn't that the coolest? This shoot over here, the first one that came out, is pretty much flowered and done. But if these are babies, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 baby plants that I'm sure if I were to plant these, they would make their own spider plants. So I might attempt that later, but we'll see. I do have to prune it because you can see the leaves are a little dry. And I'm constantly watering it because it's really hot in the living room. But that's another baby, beautiful flowers, which only last a little while, but isn't that great? I love the flowers. So cute. If I can get it zoomed in. There we go. There's more up there. And look, I've got more up there. So this thing is producing like crazy. They say that not all spider plants have babies, but maybe I was just fortunate enough to get one that does. So that is the update for the week. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. See you next week.